Hey, this is Mr. Warden. I'm going to talk about number 7 from chapter 3, section 3 on proofs beyond Kapakataka, proofs beyond corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. And here we go. Number 7 is what I'm going to talk about because folks have expressed some confusion on it. So we have been given some information. TW, this segment here, is a median for this triangle. And we've been given some algebraic expressions that equal the measures of certain segments. And we've been asked to find the measures of SW, WV, and ST. Well, here's the key to this. The key to this is to remember what a median is. If TW is a median, then it is dividing this side into two congruent parts. So this and this are the same, which means that SW and WV have the same measure, which means we can find out, we can actually set up an algebraic equation with those two expressions. We can say 2x plus 3 equals 3x minus 1. And then with some very simple algebraic tools, we can figure out what x equals. I'm going to let you do that, but that's all you have to do to figure out this problem. Once you know what x is, then you'll plug x back into each one of these equations and solve for it. So this one will be probably a different measure than the others. These two will end up being the same. So it's a good idea to plug it into each of them, though, because if you made a calculation error, then you will find it when you discover that these two are not equal, because they are equal, because they are congruent by definition of a median of a triangle. All right, I hope this gives you everything you need. Use the fact that SW and WV are congruent to solve what x is in this equation. Then plug x back into each one of these expressions to find out what each one of these equal, what each of these measures are. Okay? I hope that was helpful, and I'll leave the rest to you.